Welcome. This is probably one of the quickest yoga classes you will ever do, being under 5 minutes. This class is perfect for when you're in a rush and you really want to bring some movement into the body, maybe waking up the body, get the blood flowing, or just settling in for the night for a nice restful night's sleep. We'll begin in a wide leg child's pose, so just taking the knees nice and wide as you comfortably can. However, you can keep the knees together if that feels better today. Option, of course, to place pillows between the hips and heels and underneath the torso for added height and support. Just taking a moment here to soften the body wherever you can and just checking in with the body. Notice where you're holding tension, maybe doing your best to utilize your exhales to really surrender here, sighing out any of that tension. We'll gently release, coming into a tabletop pose. Wrists under shoulders, knees under hips, or take the hands a little further up towards the top of the mat and just finding some organic movement, circling the waist, maybe rocking side to side, forward and back. Really just moving the spine in all directions. Perfect. Whenever you're ready, we'll go ahead and tuck the toes, sending the hips up for down dog. Feel free to keep that generous bend in the knees, pressing the mat away from your hands and feet, tailbone up towards the sky. On your next inhale, we'll step to the top of the mat, coming right into a half lift flat back. Come up as high as you need. Exhale, take a fold, option to bend the knees. Inhale, come to standing, hands reach up. As you exhale, take a fold, option again to bend the knees. Inhale, half lift, flat back. Exhale, fold. Inhale, come to standing, hands reach up. Nice big inhale. Exhale, hands to heart center. You did it. Under 5 minutes. That is definitely something to celebrate. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.